Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. In this video, we are going to be learning how to share a movie or show on Plex. If you are on Plex and want to share a movie or TV show with your friends or family, then here's how you do it, so let's get started. First of all, launch open Plex application on your smartphone or your tablets and then log into your account. Once you're inside the homepage of Plex, go ahead and select a movie or a TV show you want to share with your friends or family or whoever you want. After making a selection, tap on it and then you will be able to see this pop-up menu at the bottom. Tap on Share this movie. Now you will be able to generate a link. Tap on Copy link and share the link with your friends you want to recommend the TV show or movie to. You can also share the movie or TV show by tapping on Send To button and select one of the social messaging application, email, SMS, or simply select one of the recipients from your social messaging apps, or simply select them from your contact list and share it with your friends. So once they accept your request or once they view your notification that you send, both you and the recipient must have a Plex account. You can share it up with 15 friends or family on the free plan. For more advanced sharing option, Plex Pass gives more library and syncing feature. So that is how you can share your movie or TV show with your friends or family on Plex. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.